How to change Snapchat password if forgotten. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into your application Snapchat. First of all, enter your username, email address, or your phone number. And then, if you have forgotten the password, simply click on Forgot Your Password. Choose the method in which you want to recover your password. You can change it via email address or phone number. Let me choose phone number for now. Now enter the phone number associated with your Snapchat account and then click on Continue. Once done, you will receive 6-digit verification code on your phone number. You simply have to copy that code number and then enter it in this section. Once you have entered, tap on Submit. After that, it will land you on the page where you will be able to change your password. Simply enter the new password that you want to create and then re-enter the password for the confirmation. After that, tap on Confirm and then your password will be recovered and changed. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.